Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video is a continuation of last Tuesday's live where Nohlster sent me out one of their newer subcompact clips to try out on different tape measures to give them some feedback. I was showing you what tape measures they fit on, things like that, and a lot of you were wanting to order them at the time of that live. Well, I'm going to release this video once I know that they're available, and I think that they're going to give a discount code to my subscribers. I'll put that in the description, so you might want to go check that out before you head over to Nohlster.com. That's the whole purpose of this video, is basically to let you know that they are available, let you know that there is a discount. If you check the description, you can go check that out. But if you don't know what they are, I have previous videos where I talk about the Nohlster on my M12, on my tape measures. The original version right here has this step. This allowed for a bit holder that fits into it that I don't use, but this also allowed for it to go around some M18 batteries, some bigger batteries on some bigger tools and things like that. Well, now the subcompact version right here, you can see it got rid of that little extra step. Works out great on M12 tools. Here you can see the subcompact on my M12 Surge. Let me get my hand out of the way so maybe you can kind of see that, versus here is the original clip on a impact driver from M12. So again, you got rid of all this extra little space where that was bumped out. Now it's a little bit closer to the tool. That's probably going to cause me to use this a whole lot more on my M12 Surge. But again, where I absolutely love the Nohlster is on my tape measures. I've been running them that way pretty much the entire time since I bought a Nohlster. Here you can see on my Irwin 25 footer, I've got the original version with that extra bump out. And then here is the subcompact. So that's a big difference in how much that's coming off your tape measures. And I guarantee if you buy one and try it on your tape measure, you're going to absolutely love it, because there's two benefits to the Nohlster. One is the name Nohlster. There's no holster. I can take and clip my M12 Surge anywhere on my tool vest that I want to, sit there and move it around. I don't have a certain spot where I have to put it. I could put it in my pants pocket, and then the same thing is true of my tape measure. I can clip it on my vest. I can clip it onto my pants pocket. It's not going to come off. Basically, until I release this lever right here and pull it off, it's never going to come off. I haven't had any problems with whether it's a tool, tape measure, or whatever of the Nohlster kind of coming loose from no matter what it is that I'm wearing. So again, I think they are a great fit for a lot of people out there. If you haven't tried one, you might want to. But again, I'm just mostly in this video letting you know that the new subcompacts are available and there's probably a discount. So make sure and check out the description. And if you want more details about the Nohlster, you might want to go back and watch some of my older videos. But hope this video was helpful in some way. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.